Mm. Yeah, all right. Today, not trade. Um, Going into London session, kind of well. Previously, we manipulated Asian highs, but we also manipulated previous New York highs, but did not touch a single Asian low. We made a new low in London and didn't touch any of the previous New York or day lows. And same thing with NQ. Um, so kind of going into it, I saw that we probably would want to reverse and take out all that liquidity. So it's really just from market open, and we could also reverse off those, but off market open, it's fine. 55. Zoom in. If we could just get some sort of 5 minute sweep, there's market. We could just take out these highs up here, these highs, and then get some sort of 5 minute confirmation down to the downside. I would be willing to take a trade, but or even if it just swept and um, went down, but they just went straight down, did not even sweep out anything, and instantly took out these lows. I was like, all right, well, maybe we get an SMT from these lows. Price continues to go down. We get a retrace here, but then, of course, another PP leg down. And now we're like all the way into this gap, which is an hourly gap as well. So now I'm like, same with ES. We surely have to react to that. We start getting some up candles. Like even when we need up candle on this, like NQ doesn't do it. ES might, NQ doesn't. When NQ does, ES doesn't. It's like you not want to go up. Um, I thought, okay, well we don't have an SMT, but maybe we get an inversion, 1 minute confluence, and then a continuation I'm willing to trade. End up coming close to inverting, but then all the way back down. And then we react off that gap and continue lower. If I were to take a trade, what I'd probably do with that big of a move, and like talking about it yesterday, I'd want to probably just target equilibrium. And then there's a 15-minute gap. Yeah, so around, maybe this would be my first TP, second TP, and then third TP would be like all the way up here. But that's where I was kind of going if I were to take a trade to the upside, but did not come. Um, and then I wasn't really willing to take a short because if we were to take a short, like I would want to see like going to tap into equilibrium, SMT, maybe tapping into the gap as well. Like, yeah, I'm sure, why not? We can take a short off that. But if we've already taken out these lows, like it's hard to take a trade to the downside when we don't have any more take profits to be looking for any other liquidity. We're kind of within this gap, so we're kind of just due to go up, and eventually we do, but that's not until like 10:40, 10:50, and by then I'm off the charts. So overall, no trade. Um, I feel like I read the market pretty well because it ended up doing what I thought it would. It's just it didn't really provide any sort of entries and didn't have any confidences to enter. So overall, not bad. Um, that's pretty much it. Short video. 4 minutes. Wow, shortest video I've made. I need to get some other stuff done. See you guys tomorrow for a worst trading day, which is a no trade because I didn't lose. Wait, did I not lose? I didn't lose this week. Jeez, that's the first time I don't think I've ever. It's the first time I haven't lost in a week. That's a pretty good feeling. All right, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.